Hey Russell, what's going on, man?
Hey David.
I'm just at Laughing Man.
Oh, you're at Laughing Man? I love that place. Maz and I will meet you there. We're heading into Whole Foods right now to pick up some stuff for the event tomorrow. I'll see you soon.
All right, guys, so we're gonna set up for the event today. I wanna go over all of this apartment's features so we can share them with all the brokers coming and our clients. All right, so the key things here in the kitchen, we've got both a Sub-Zero refrigerator and a Sub-Zero wine chiller, Corian countertops, Boffy cabinets, Miele dishwasher, Wolf oven, and there's a Gaggenau 6-burner stovetop. There's a pantry behind you, Russell, and all of that wood is walnut. What I tell everyone, Maz, is the key thing is that this arch that you see throughout the property was the brainchild of the interior designer West Chin. West, as you know, is well known throughout New York City and in Los Angeles, Beverly Hills, Bel Air, etc.
So if anyone asks about this beautiful spa-like bathroom, we could tell them that we have a Dorovitz spa tub, Hansgrohe fixtures, and Flaminia double vanity.
And then other key things to mention are that you have a vented washer dryer and central air, all in its own laundry room, which is unique. I mean, this place is 1,582 square feet. It's much larger than most of the other lofts around. All right, Maz, so make sure everyone on the team knows, but when we're here with all the people, if there's any questions, just ask.
This is going to be a fabulous event. Please reach out to David.Rosen or myself for a tour of 148 Chambers in Tribeca.